Hello everybody, welcome back for another lecture with Sammy, an English tutor. Today, I'm going to explain and I'm going to ask you so many questions about baseball pig. Of course, you have studied this one before, so today I'm going to ask you questions. Let's get started. The program is going to be like this. I'm going to read the sentence. In each sentence, I'll ask you some questions. Okay? So, I stop for 20 seconds until you answer it. If you answer it, it's good. If you don't answer, never mind. I will answer it and you can repeat it again and answer. So, let's get started. There is a little pig. What is there? Yes, there is a little pig. Is there a very big pig or a small pig? Yes, a small pig. There is a small pig, little pig. How big is he? He is a little pig. He is a little pig. The pig wants to be a baseball player. What does he want to be? What does he want to be? He wants to be a baseball player. What does he want to play? What does he want to play? He wants to play baseball. He wants to play baseball. Does he want to play football or baseball? Okay, he wants to play baseball, not football. Who wants to play baseball? The pig. Yes, the pig wants to play baseball. Every day, he practices baseball. He practices hitting a baseball. He wants to be a big hitter. When does he practice? Every day. He practices baseball every day. Who wants to play baseball? The pig. The pig wants to play baseball. What does he practice? Yes, he practices baseball. When? Every day. Yes, every day he practices baseball. Does he practice baseball every day? Yes, he practices baseball every day. What does he want to be? He wants to be a big hitter. He wants to be a big hitter. Does he want to hit the baseball hard or soft? Yes, he wants to be a big hitter. Hard, not soft, hard. After 10 years of practice, the pig decides to try out for the Yankees, New York Yankees, the most famous baseball team in America. He takes a direct flight to New York and rents a car and drives to Yankee Stadium. Okay, does he try out for the team after 5 years? No, he tries out for the team after 10 years. How many years? 10 years. How many years of practice did he try out for a team? Yes, after 10 years of practice, he tries out for a team. Does he want to get a job? Yes, he wants to get a job. Does he want a job with the Yankees? Yes, he wants a job with the Yankees. Who does he want a job with? Who does he want a job with? Yankees. He wants a job with the Yankees. Who wants a job with the Yankees? The pig. The pig wants a job with the Yankees. Does his airplane stop before New York? No. He took a direct flight to New York. Yes, without stopping. Where does he go? He goes to New York. He goes to New York. Do the Yankees give him a job? No, the Yankees don't give him a job. Who does the Yankees reject? They reject him. They reject the pig. The pig. Who rejects him? The Yankees in New York reject him. Why do the Yankees reject him? Why? Why do the Yankees reject him? They reject him because he's a pig. Because he's a pig. And the manager says, I am sorry, you are an amazing baseball player, but we can't let a pig join our team. Who doesn't and who can't let a pig join the team? The manager. The manager can't let a pig join the team. Why is Ihan happy? Because the Yankees reject him and he doesn't get a job. Is he happy or sad? Yes, he is sad. Who is unhappy? The pig. The pig is unhappy. Okay. The pig is very unhappy. He goes home and cries every day. Finally, his friend says to him, come on, get a grip, stop crying, and try again with another team. What does he do then? He goes home and cries every day. Who cries every day? The pig. The pig cries every day. Who comes to him after that? His friend. His friend comes to him. What does his friend say? What does his friend say? His friend says, come on, get a grip. Come on, get a grip. Does his friend want him to stop crying? Yes, yes, his friend wants him to stop crying. Who wants him to stop crying? His friend. His friend wants him to stop crying. Who wants him to get a grip right now? His friend. His friend wants him to get a grip right now. Come on, it means right now. Come on. The pig listens to his friends and stops crying. He practices baseball every day. Does he get a grip? Yes, the pig gets a grip and listens to his friends. What does he do after that? He practices baseball every day again. He practices baseball every day again. He stops crying. Okay, let's go to the story again. One day, he is reading the newspaper and he finds out that the San Francisco Giants need new baseball players. The pig immediately flies to San Francisco. Good. Who needs new baseball players? San Francisco Giants. Yes, the San Francisco Giants need new baseball players. Where are the Giants from? From San Francisco. They are from San Francisco. What do the Giants need? They need baseball player. Do they need football player? No, baseball player. What does the pig do immediately? What does the pig do immediately? The pig immediately flies to San Francisco. The pig immediately flies to San Francisco. Does he drive a car to San Francisco? No, immediately he flies to San Francisco. How does the pig go to San Francisco? He goes to San Francisco by plane. He flies to San Francisco. Why does he fly to San Francisco? Because he wants to play with the San Francisco Giants. Because the San Francisco Giants needs baseball player. Okay, he tries out for the Giants. The Giants are very impressed with the pig. The manager says, "Wow, you are the best hitter I have ever seen." The Giants hire the pig and pay him $2. Only $2. Are the Giants impressed with the pig? Yes, the Giants are very impressed with the pig. Do they think the pig is great? Yes, they think the pig is very good and great. Who impressed with him? The Giants, the baseball team, impressed with the pig. Had the manager seen a better hitter? No. In the past, he had never seen a better hitter. Who hired him? The San Francisco Giants hired the pig. Do the Giants give him a job? Yes, the Giants hire the pig and give him a job. Who do the Giants hire? The Giants hire the pig. Why did the Giants hire the pig? Because he is the best hitter. How much do the Giants pay him? How much do the Giants pay him? They pay him only $2. They pay him only $2. Do they pay him $5,000? No, they pay him only $2. Who do they pay $2? They pay him the pig $2. Why is the pig very happy? Because he gets a job with the team. In his first game, the pig hits 5 home runs. Everyone in San Francisco loves the pig. The Giants give him a big raise. They pay him $540 million. Okay, the questions. How many home runs does he hit? He hits 5 home runs. 5 home runs. When does he hit 5 home runs? Yes, in his first game, he hits 5 home runs. In his first game. Who hits 5 home runs in his first game? The pig. The pig hits 5 home runs in his first game. Is he successful in his first game? Yes, he is very, very successful in his First game. Who loves the pig? All the people in San Francisco love the pig. Do the Giants pay him less money or more money? Yes, they give him a raise. A raise. They give him more money, a lot of money. Who give him a raise? The Giants give him a raise. The Giants give him more money, a raise. How much money does he get? He gets $540 million. A lot of money. Does he get a lot of money or a little money? He gets a lot of money. Yes, he gets a lot of money. A raise. Who gets a big raise? The pig. The pig gets a big raise. Okay, let's go to the story again. The pig is rich, famous, and happy. The pig is rich, famous, and happy. How does he feel? He's very happy. Yes, he's very happy. When will he be happy? He will be happy after he gets a raise. He will be very happy after he gets a raise. Will he be rich after he gets a raise? Yes, he will be rich after he gets a raise. How rich is he now? He is very, very rich because he has $540 million. Is he famous? Yes. Who is famous? The pig is famous in San Francisco. Where does he play baseball? He plays baseball in San Francisco. Yes. Which team does he play for? He plays for the Giants in San Francisco. Okay, everyone, thank you very much for listening, and that's it. Please listen to it 2 or 3 times and try to answer all the questions, and please move your mouth. Okay, thank you everybody. Have a great time. See you in the lecture. Bye bye.